want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while.
Good morning everyone, Liliana from Vanilla and Canela here. Welcome back to my channel and to another video. So today I have a Tesco's delivery coming. It's not coming until between 1 and 2 o'clock this afternoon. It's now just gone 10 o'clock. Been faffing around upstairs, you know, making the beds, all that stuff. And now I'm going to turn my attention to the kitchen. I'm going to clean out my fridge and freezer, just organize it. You guys know how I love to have it really lovely and organized, and I've been failing a little bit at that recently. So this Tesco's delivery, it's just my weekly delivery really. I was unable to get some toilet roll. You know, that's going to be interesting in a few days, but so what I thought I would do is I'll see, because what I noticed, so I don't know if you use Tesco's online, but I book it a few days in advance and you can keep going in and adding to your order, and every time I went in, something that I'd added, it's gone out of stock. So I don't know when they turn up today what's going to be out of stock, out of the things that I need. I don't need anything like emergency kind of thing, so but what I thought, tomorrow I have to go out for an appointment and it's close to Lidl, so whatever I can't get today I might pop in to Lidl quickly tomorrow to get. But anyway, now this kitchen is a hot mess because last night I could not be bothered to tidy up. I'm going to show you and then we're going to get started. I'm going to put some nice music on for you. I'm going to put my other phone on with some crime or something like that. You guys know I love listening to crime podcasts or crime videos, real crime. And as you can tell, Madame Ethel is here. What are you saying? What's the matter? Why are you so upset? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Here she is, you guys. Purring away. You're such a pretty girl. Right, so let's get started. So here's the situation. It's not actually terrible. Most of these things will go in the dishwasher and then I'll just clean the counters and move on to the fridge. I turned it off while I was talking to you guys, but I've got to finish that load in the dryer. And yeah, let's get started.
you think about me? Because I'm starting to doubt we will find our way back to each other when you're on the other side of the world. I'm here and I'm waiting, but I know I can't say that we didn't end it for good reason. Still I'm hoping we'll be meeting soon. Everybody needs some time to figure themselves out, but I want you close, and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past. Now time moves slow, I'm not high or low, no, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up, 'cause without you everything stops. I'm feeling so lonely when you never phone me. I put your picture on my windowsill to make myself feel alright, but I knew it would not be easy spending time apart, and I almost can't believe it. Believe that you're gone, and I don't think this will get better until you come around. I guess that everybody needs some time to figure themselves out, but I want you close, and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past. Now time moves slow, I'm not high or low, no, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up, 'cause without you everything stops. But I want you close, and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past. Now time moves slow, I'm not high or low.
I'm done with the fridge and freezer. I'm gonna have a quick look through my pantry, make sure that I don't have anything that's out of date, and just give it a tidy up. It is a really awkward space for you guys to see into, but I'll do my best.
This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot, and he has the same effect on me. It's just something about the way that he's making me feel. My insides are out, I just wanna shout his name. My body's giving up on me, 'cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but I'm trying not to stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out, and we got a little tipsy on the side.
So I found this little box of cornflakes, which is out of date, and this box of crackers. I also found this damson jelly, and this is the date it was made, but I've been enjoying a little bit of jam in my toast, so I'm hoping that might taste really nice. I got out some of my Method so I can refill that bottle. Got some crisps, got some vinegar out again to refill stuff, and you saw me refilling my pasta and rice, as well as the spaghetti at the back there. I've got about 20 minutes before Paul gets home for lunch, and I just thought that maybe I'm gonna have a quick sort out of my baking cupboard. Haven't done it in months, it's a proper mess.
shoulders shaking from the urge of being with him. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip of myself. My body's giving up on me, 'cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but don't stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way. This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot, and he has the same effect on me. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip on myself. I get a little starstruck when I see.
Well, that looks a lot better. Still room to grow. I am going to put these nuts somewhere where I can see them so I can eat them. So that's it. Paul will be home soon, so I'm just going to prep lunch.
Went for a walk with the stars last night. Did not believe that I would end up right. Lucky endings were not something for me. I drove around all across the land. Thought that I was caught in a one-man band, but playing all those sad and lonely.
So I'm all set to receive my Tesco's delivery. I just thought I would come on here quickly and tell you a little bit where I stand with the coronavirus pandemic now, right? It's been labelled that. So had I not been pregnant, I would have been absolutely fine with it. It is like the flu, so if you're fairly healthy, you can get over it easily. But I'm pregnant, so obviously there isn't that much information about it. No one really knows that much about it. What I've been able to find online is that pregnant women that have caught it, it has led to them having early birth, so the baby come early. And right now that would be disastrous for me because my baby's only 17 weeks, so it is not viable yet outside of my body. So that's why it is important for me to stay out of danger as much as possible. Though it's impossible because my son goes to school, my husband goes to work. So even though I can isolate myself-ish in the house, they could bring it in. And I really don't know what that would mean for me or the baby. So I'm trying to be a bit careful. I've not really gone crazy with the shopping. This is literally a week's worth of shopping, maybe a little bit more. But I am confident that I could probably feed my family for 3 to 4 weeks with the stuff that I have at home. So let me show you just some bits. One of the things I ordered was quite a few bits of meat because I'm quite low on that. But actually I have pasta. I filled up both my pasta jars. There's enough in those jars for maybe 4, 5, 6 meals even. And I've got unopened packets here. I also have bread flour as well as some pre-baked baguettes. I have plain flour if I wanted to make cakes. Sugar, I've ordered some more sugar today. And I have things that I could make cakes or biscuits. Not that that's essential, but you know. I have soya milk. I've ordered some UHT milk, which you're going to see soon, just in case. I get my milk delivered twice a week. Cereal. I have canned goods and passata. So I'm confident that I could make meals, you know. I could keep us going. I have plenty of stuff in the freezer, apart from the meats, and I've got fruit and veg coming today. Now, what I'm going to do is, I'm worried they might be missing some stuff off that list. I might potentially pop out tomorrow. I'll see how it goes, but I'm confident that we would be okay for a little while anyway. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know where I stood. Had I been healthy and all that, I would have been a lot more carefree, but I am carrying a baby who is already a full-on miracle. I am 44 years old, at danger of gestational diabetes, with high blood pressure since getting pregnant. So I need to be really, really careful who I come in contact with and keep washing my hands, right? Anyway, I'll see you when the shopping gets here. So my Tesco's delivery is here. Just wanted to show you how much I spent. £84.43. So it was 87 minus promotions and stuff. But the other thing was there were no substitutions. Though, to be fair, there was a few things that I couldn't get in the first place, like toilet roll and a few other things. Like, oh, frozen fruit. I wanted frozen pineapple. They didn't have any. Okay, so let me show you the haul. So only a couple of things are frozen. I got this lemon and pepper goujons. I got some wraps, which you'll see a bit later, and I love cooking these up, putting them in wraps with mayo and lettuce. Delicious. And that was on offer for £1.20, I think. And the other thing is the chicken breasts that I got frozen. Now for the fridge, and to be fair, I will freeze a lot of this stuff, but what I mean is it's not come frozen. I got one of these gammon joints. I am gonna try and slice it in half before I freeze it. 2 things of sausages, some garlic bread. One of Alex's latest things that he now loves is garlic bread. Got 2 things of cheese. These are always 2 for £3. Mozzarella and cheese mix. It's basically mozzarella and cheddar is my favourite. Also got a bowl of fresh a ball. Sorry. You know what I mean, some fresh mozzarella. And then Willow butter was on offer. It's usually £1.20. It was 76p. That is an amazing offer. So I got 5 blocks and I can freeze that. And I got our normal butter. So that I use for baking. And like I said, that will last me a long time. But usually it's almost double the price. So it's always great to get when on offer. Normal butter, like I said. I also got some ketchup. It's here because it's going to go in the fridge. And then got 2 things of ham, 2 for £3. I got some beef steak mince, some diced beef, and thin cut steaks. And again, I will portion these off. I'll portion that off as well. And then some eggs. Then we're going to get into the fruit and produce. I got some black grapes, 2 bags of salad, some mushrooms, 3 heads of broccoli. Broccoli is our favourite. We love it boiled, we love it stir-fried or roasted. And it's so cheap. Look at that, £1.88 for all of that. I also got some fresh basil, one of my favourite herbs. And Alex is recently at school made some pizza. Obviously, his pizza was without tomato sauce and without cheese, so it's not that great of a pizza. But I say that because he doesn't like cheese or tomato sauce. Though he'll eat tomato sauce in bolognese. You know, kids stuff. Anyway, he put basil on his pizza. So he wanted me to get some basil, and I was like, yes, why not? Some carrots. I also got some sweet easy peelers, some potatoes. Now I got some kitchen towels and some strawberry jam. Then on this side, got 3 things of sugar, some squash. Paul is the only one that drinks this. And I also got some light and fruity mango juice. No added sugar. Again, Paul enjoys this. I don't buy it very often anymore, so thought I would get him that to try. That was £1. I got some floor wipes, anti-bac. That was £1 as well. And then cat food. I got 2 packets. There's 12 packs in each of senior cat food. And then just adult food. I just, you know, I'm sure Ethel will appreciate the variety. So yeah, I got some of those. Paul's big packet of crisps. Alex crisps. My crisps. Then some vegetable oil. Then I got a load of stock cubes because again they were on offer. Got that chicken stock pot. These are like my favourite. And the rich beef. I love the jelly stock. But then I also saw that they had ham, and I like cooking like the gammon, so I thought, oh, I'll try that. And it was buy 2 for £2. So I got just a normal vegetable one. Got some muffin cases, some garlic powder. The only tin thing I got was peach slices, 3 things of UHT milk. Here's the wraps that I was talking about. They are wholemeal wraps. And then I got some bake at home baguettes. These I think were 85p. I usually go for the 4-pack, which are a lot cheaper, but they were completely out of it. And 2 things of Frosted Flakes. That's all I got, so let's put it away.
Went for a walk with the stars last night. Did not believe that I would end up right. Lucky endings were not something for me. I drove around all across the land. Thought that I was caught in a one-man band. But playing all those sad and lonely songs. My faith was lost, my hope was gone. My dreams were shattered and I was done. I was roaming down the street in my weary feet. And then you came along with the love so strong. You took me out of the cold into the fire. You're picking me up when I'm down on the ground. Whenever I'm low, you are lifting me higher. And when I am lost, you make sure that I'm found. Out of the cold into the fire. Out of the cold into the fire. This is too good for a man like me. Be treated by someone so tenderly. I'm afraid that I might wake up someday. Sometimes I feel like I'm someone else. I don't really know if I can trust myself. When I think of who I used to be. My faith was lost, my hope was gone. My dreams were shattered and I was done. I was roaming down the street in my weary feet. And then you came along with the love so strong. It's 1 a.m. and I ain't tired. I can stand right here and talk all night if you want. I ain't got no place to be, no one's waiting for me. I won't lie, I'm into you. Got like a million ideas what we could do. Cause I'm not gonna let you slip away, I won't waste this. There's something about the way you fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turned up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love? When you talk or listen close, there's just something about your voice. I think that every word you say to me is like poetry. I just want you for my own. It's really easy to tell that you're the best girl I've ever known. I'm not gonna waste this. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turned up the pace.
Oh, that is it, you guys. I am finally done. It's taken like an hour and a half to put everything away. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased with that. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.